All right, let me ask you this. If you came across a dropshipping store that's pulling in over $65,000 in sales each month, would you want to know exactly how they're doing it? Well, today we are going behind the scenes of one store like this. And here's the twist. This store is not doing anything secret or complicated. In fact, everything they do is visible if you know where to look. We're going to uncover the hidden data Shopify doesn't share publicly. Check out the exact products that drive their profit and see which AI tools they use to create content that ranks on Google and much more. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how this store makes tens of thousands of dollars in profit, but you'll also learn how to apply the same methods to your own current or future business. Now, to fully understand this dropshipping store, the best way is first to look at the hidden data that Shopify doesn't share. Things like how many products the store has for sale, what the best sellers are, the monthly sales revenue, and more. After having this info, it will be easier to come up with a better understanding and insights. For this, I'll copy the store's URL and paste it into ZIK's store sales tracker. This is the hidden data that makes my decisions and insights much clearer whenever I want to learn best practices from a successful store. From the scan, I can see this store runs a massive operation with over 2,000 products available. And the results are impressive. This operation generated over $65,000 in sales. So it seems that this dropshipping store is doing some things right, and we are going to reveal them. I can also see that this store relies heavily on social media traffic, and all of their products are sourced from AliExpress with healthy profit margins from what I can tell at first glance. We'll dig into these details more later, but now that we have a clear idea of this store's back-end performance, let's review the store itself with this data in mind. So let's take a quick look at the store. Right away, I noticed the logo. It's very simple, the kind of design you could easily create with an AI tool today. Just type in the name you want, and AI can generate something almost identical. Next, the homepage. It's quite minimal, with no big distractions, and overall the menu looks well organized and clear. Now let's check a product page. So I chose this one as an example. The Angry Tiki Garden Lamp. Product page is very clear and user-friendly. I like the sidebar highlighting free shipping, 24/7 support, and a 30-day refund policy. All strong trust signals. Earlier, we saw in the store sales tracker that all products here are dropshipped from AliExpress. And if you've ever looked at AliExpress descriptions, you know that they're usually unorganized and hard to follow. But here, the descriptions are clean, structured, and user-friendly. This strongly suggests that the store is using AI tools like ChatGPT or DeepSeek to rewrite product descriptions. Not only are they easier to read, but they're also SEO-friendly. For those who don't know, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It means adding relevant keywords naturally into your product descriptions so search engines like Google rank your pages higher. For example, imagine being ranked organically on page 1 on Google for terms like Tiki Garden Lamp or Garden Lamp. That's exactly the power of using AI to create optimized product descriptions. And don't worry, later in this video, I'll show you how you can create these kinds of descriptions yourself to boost your organic rankings. Okay, so as you can see, this store has over 2,000 products available for buying. And if I want to create a store like this, or if you already have a dropshipping store and want to add products with proven demand, don't just add products randomly. Instead, base your product selection on data. In this case, you can focus only on the top selling products. For example, let's check the profitability of the Moon Earth projection lamp. This product sold 42 times in the past 30 days at a price of $44.99. By checking on the item finder, I found a couple of sourcing options, and here's one. This is clearly the same exact product, and it can be sourced for $15.24 plus $1.50 for shipping. That means the dropshipping store is making around $26 of profit per sale after Shopify fees, which comes out to about a 63% profit margin. Now, this margin is strong enough to even run paid ads profitably. So, as you can see, this store is following a simple but smart strategy. Conduct thorough product research. Identify products with high perceived value. Price them at reasonable but profitable levels. Use AI to craft user-friendly SEO-optimized product descriptions filled with strong keywords for any product in the dropshipping store. Okay, so if you're gaining value from this video, I'll be happy if by the end you like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. And if you want to use the same tools I'm showing in this video to build a professional store and do smart product research, you can try ZIK Analytics for just $1 for the first week. Now, let's talk about how you can implement the same AI strategies in your current or future store. And we'll start with the real traffic generator, the product description. Let me show you how to do it right. For this example, I'll use the Moon Earth projection lamp we found earlier. And for this task, I'll use Gemini as the AI tool. Why Gemini? Because when it comes to search engine optimization, SEO, Google is the main search engine you want to rank on. And since Gemini is built on Google's own database, the keyword data it provides can be extremely powerful for ranking high on Google search. So before doing anything with description optimization, I'll start by asking Gemini the following. I want to sell in my Shopify dropshipping store a Moon Earth projection lamp. Give me the best keywords I can add to my product description so I'll be able to rank higher on Google search terms. Here is the supplier link for the product. Once I get this list of high value keywords, I treat it like a gold mine. The next step is to ask Gemini to recreate the product description in a more user-friendly way, while naturally inserting those keywords. And here's the prompt I'll use. Here is the raw content of the product. Rewrite the description to be more user-friendly and naturally add the suggested keywords you gave me earlier. Also, mark each keyword in bold inside the description. And I will just copy and paste the text from AliExpress as is, title, specifics, and product description. And I don't need it to look pretty when I'm copying and pasting it into Gemini. Okay, so now let's hit enter and see the final results. And wow, look at that. We now have a professional and user-friendly product description that not only reads well, but is also optimized to help this product rank higher in search engines like Google. As you can see, the bold text are the keywords we were suggested before, and it naturally blended into the text. And just like the store we are digesting in this video, we can boost our chances of ranking higher in search results while keeping the website content unique, SEO friendly, and easy for customers to read. Now that you know how to create product descriptions with AI that can help you gain organic sales from search results, let's move to another way you can use AI, this time to drive traffic with video content. Think about it. If you're running a general or niche store with dozens or even thousands of products, it makes no sense to buy each product just to create videos. For example, a store like the one that we are digesting in this video with over 2,000 products can't possibly buy every item just for content creation. That's why there are two main ways to generate content for multiple products. Reusing existing content. For example, taking a TikTok video that's already out there and re-editing it with your own touches. But in general, this method isn't recommended since original content almost always performs better. Creating original AI videos. All you need is one image of the product. Using Google AI Studio, I go to generate media and choose the VEO tool, which is free to use as well. From there, I simply give it a short command like animate this Earth and Moon projection image. Okay, so after a few seconds, the video was generated. I see it's ready to be downloaded. So I'll put the static image I gave to VEO on the left, and on the right is the video we got. I mean, look what we got. It really looks good. The moon and the earth are spinning smoothly, and it honestly looks amazing. And it only took a few minutes to create. This is pure gold for anyone who is running a store with many products and needs good marketing creative for free. And the best part? It's unique, original content, something platforms value highly. Okay, so now that we are fully equipped with AI strategies to implement in the dropshipping store, let's review the traffic engine behind the successful store. That means looking at their social media. Now, in the store sales tracker, I can see that ZIK identified 6 different social media channels. Let's quickly review a few of them. First, let's start with Pinterest. Now, this store is clearly putting in the work here with tens of thousands of pins that generate about 83,000 monthly views. Here's an example pin. The design is simple, something you could easily create in Canva or with AI tools in seconds. But here's the key. Success doesn't happen overnight. It's all about consistency. They post new pins daily, refine their product catalog, and focus on products with high perceived value. That consistency is exactly what's helping them crush it with sales. Now, let's check TikTok. Here too, consistency shows. Even though their follower count is relatively small, they're able to generate decent views on their videos, which eventually translates into sales. One more interesting thing I noticed is that they also run a YouTube channel. In this case, YouTube is more of a nice to have kind of option. For a general store like this, it doesn't deliver the same level of engagement as Pinterest or TikTok. And that's the beauty of doing a social media deep dive like this. You can clearly see which platforms are driving results and which aren't as critical. By analyzing competitors, you can identify where to put your effort and double down on the social channels that truly work. Now, to complete our case study of this successful dropshipping store, the last piece we need to understand is the Shopify theme they're using. And you might be surprised. Choosing the right theme for your store type can make a big difference. A good theme can lead to a higher conversion rate and ultimately more sales. So, how do we check? It's simple. Go inside the store sales tracker. The theme name appears right at the top. In this case, the theme is called Wokey. So from there, I'm going to head over to Google and just Google Wokey Shopify theme. And there it is. The exact theme this Shopify store is using. And here's another tip. You can also find any Shopify store theme by using the Shopify theme detector tool from ZIK. Just enter any store's URL and for free, you'll instantly see the name of the theme the store is using. So there you have it, a full analysis of a store making over $2,000 a day by selling high perceived value products sourced entirely from AliExpress while leveraging AI to streamline operations and drive more traffic through search engines like Google. As you can see, this kind of success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication, you can build a store just like this. The key is to base your marketing and product strategy on data, not guesswork. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, keep moving forward, and I will see you in the next video.